Welcome to the Miami vlog. Don't do that. I die. If I die, I just love being Mariah Lene. Just know that I love everybody that love me.
Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it so much.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder.
Hey y'all, we are back with another video. Y'all, we in the yams with it, you know what I'm saying? We in Miami for NCAT Miami spring break for a week. We don't have anything planned for today. We don't have anything planned for the entire trip. We moving our vibe, you feel me? We just made it to Airbnb. The Airbnb is sweet. It's so nice. It's gonna be a great trip, y'all. So excited. And y'all seen them before, but me and Naya are here with G4. Y'all saw them in the other vlog. You know, I'm put it up here just in case you didn't meet them yet. Drew, Trey, and Jaden, we're here with them. They left to go get food because, you know, I guess they was trying to say we taking too long or whatever. Our only job here is to have fun and be safe. That's all we trying to do. But yeah, we got to have a great time. We in the yams with it. They've made it.
We waited so long in the line for Raising Cane's. Oh, I don't do the YouTube stuff. We in the yams? Yeah. Keep on in the bed. Feel me? Hold on.
Wait, so y'all are gonna be like hungry again?
Yeah.
Told y'all, just wait on us. They so tall. With that all black on, you know what I'm saying?
All black affair, you feel me?
Yeah. What they say, day one, we in the yams.
Yeah.
Where we finna eat it?
Oh, you look in the side? Are you going back?
Yeah!
What? I ain't gonna lie.
You broke it off at a dumb spot.
Posers.
I guess we not, you know what I'm saying, Espanol. Let me stop before I get canceled. Us, you know, we just got segregated from the rest of the crowd. Like,
Bye.
fight. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You brought the food?
Man, this food hot.
What you had to eat? Type?
Chips and salsa and some, what it is, some wasabi.
Wasabi. Jaden, how was the eats?
It was good. Where it go?
Oh God.
Where it go?
Empty. How was the food, gang?
The food was amazing. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. If you can get into the plate,
Scrum delicioso.
it was really good.
Let's look at the scenery.
He said he's into that. He can't assume, man. Just experiment. You missing out. But if you ain't giving it,
Bro, come on. We're not doing this. We're not doing
what is
this.
he doing differently than what you're doing? Okay.
Okay, turn that off. I don't have stories like that. Do that. Go. Kududu. What? The bracelet. You have to find it. The brown one? Hold on, vlog.
Do not light that blunt again. That's THC. That should stop my heart. It'll stop your heart. Do not
Pablo, cut throat like Pablo. Cut throat, shot trick.
This is day 2, our official first full day. The beginning of the week, you know, our friends are starting to roll in, but we in this. You feel me? This is our outfit. I have these on. I have a white swimsuit on under here. Y'all will see it later. We ready to go. You ready to go? We out.
Got me by for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Athletic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage.
I want strawberry if I get this, but what do Fragola mean?
Cause I out, and I'm telling what he saw.
Got the strawberry, you know what I'm saying? What you get? The boys is in this sneaker store. they about to get some shoes, but I'm about to show y'all like this or not. Really good. Now you check like the heat index. It said like 9. Y'all need to take a picture in here and say hi. They love you.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I love you.
Going up a bang while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at?
Look at this pretty guy. And it's handsome man. My mama just now said something about the boats. Now I need to get a new pink bracelet because Trey broke mine.
The cookie jar cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out.
If my mama found out about the stuff I was paying for here, I don't think she would be too happy. Just keep buying this stupid stuff.
Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to your
Drewski! No. They so far. Naya Bookie. Hey. We at the beach. Look at my hair. My hair just doing whatever it want to do, and I don't even care. Feels good out here. Yo, me and Tracy about to get on the jet skis, and y'all, I'm handing our lives over to Jaden. So if he doing a terrible job, Naya's gonna come take over.
Alright, I'm gonna do good. I'll change this up. Naya!
Trey's going so fast.
We're the yams about to bury this one.
About to bury you and say it. Okay, lay down. He right there. Go ahead, man. That scratched me. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, y'all, we almost got it. What the cigarette is, Drew? Hold on, we gotta give him some titties, bro. Hold on, give him some titties. You gotta make it wet.
You draw anything on
You can, let's do that.
Whoa, I didn't agree to that.
One more piece of skin. Yeah. Okay, we about to draw a mermaid. We about to draw somebody on you.
We need water now to draw.
All right. You don't have no say. Go to sleep or something.
I used to the middle finger up.
See? It's in your Yeah. Yeah. Go, my boy. Now he want to work out on the beach.
Hey, red cup. Red cup.
That's fine.
They moved.
Oh God, I was up there with y'all.
Y'all were running though.
Y'all look it, they all the way out there. Now they want to get away from us. Oh, it's so clear. Look at them, y'all. Naya gang over here. All up in her business. Hold on. Yada, 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 yada. Hey, man. Say, man. We back in the crib ski. Looking crazy again. But just took a shower. We went shopping. It is 6:03 p.m. We about to go get something to eat. But we gonna come back when we at the restaurant. See y'all in a few. Hey, guys. I am not taking my camera with us to dinner. But I want to show y'all our fits. We all wearing white. All right, people. Let's sit around.
Ready?
Stand up. Stand up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I just love being Mariah Lene. It's just amazing.
That's my car life.
What? It's just. So let me talk to y'all, YouTube, because it's just some people that in your life, they just gonna be haters, okay? And you just have to block them out. You brought them.
Embrace them.
Embrace them?
Yeah,
Do what Drew say, embrace them. And we're gonna leave you with that note. We have to go to this 5-star restaurant on the hill, you know, so I can't take y'all with us. But we really going to a 2.8-star restaurant. Okay, bye y'all. Sorry for not taking you with y'all. If something crazy happened, I was just recording on my phone. I look good, bye.
Flipping a burger.
No, not a burger, but a
sandwich.
Oh,
Breakfast sandwich.
oh my God.
A waffle.
Oh my God. He's saying everything but.
Shaking hands. Hey, riding the horse.
Yeah. Let's see it. Turn around.
Right, you even show nobody.
Let me see.
I'm gonna tell your mama.
She don't care.
It's my ears.
Right. It is March 7th, and I am having a crisis. I can't find nothing to wear. It's like 2 or 3 o'clock p.m. and I have yet to find something to wear. Give me a second. I think Naya's mad at me because I can't find anything to wear. Like, I don't know what to do. I'm about to cry.
I guess that's what happens. Two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion.
So Naya, where we at?
You don't ask questions, you just keep walking.
Okay. Go ahead.
Right now, we're currently in Miami at our luxurious
Don't let her fool you.
condo.
You was lost earlier. Don't let her fool you.
Anyway,
We're
headed to the marina right now to see some water, catch some views, get some good vibes. Yeah.
That one right there is ours. You know, the highest one. That's
Ask me
us.
questions, you know what the answer is? My dad owns this.
So which way are we going? You know, I get lost
We're just
around
gonna go
our. Okay. So y'all, actually, like being for real, we don't know where we are. Naya has us walking trying to find a swimsuit store.
We're just on an adventure.
And we on an adventure. Oh y'all, look at the water. Uh-oh, Bookie.
Excuse me.
Now if you fall, I'ma laugh.
Hey, stop.
It's not deep.
Oh. Post up, post up. Post up. Yeah. Naya is in her fish science era.
You know we have African cichlids, so look in the water. These are African cichlids.
Ain't they Miamian? They not Miamian?
Like what?
Flatfish, they're like
Look, that's a
be
rock.
changing color.
It's a what? And then Drew come see it. What is it, Drew? Drew, what is it? Drew looked at it. What is it?
It's a rock.
The only weapon they have is a market.
Hey, Bookies. When your hair is done on your face, just the back of my head. What do this look like?
It's like that.
Where we on the way to? We on the way to the boat. We about to get on the boat. And I did not get to finish my hair.
Suppose somebody be like, we're on a private.
Anyway. Cause he wanna be seen so bad.
Oh my God, I turned around.
Like,
Hello? Hi, we're on the way. We're gonna get there exactly at 11:59.
I hear you.
No, we're 10 minutes away.
Sorry.
Nosotras estamos en camino.
I'm telling you in English, don't worry about it.
I'm sorry. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. I'm just letting her know.
I failed Spanish. I don't know how you do it.
did you feel Spanish?
I failed Spanish.
It's okay, my boy.
It's my first year. I failed it.
Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react.
Oh, I thought y'all said I broke his stuff.
You want to feel included, bro?
No, I'm gonna throw your ass overboard. Shush. Be quiet. You help me. Oh, how you know she big?
She was breathing heavy on the phone.
Know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
When these Aggie men get off campus, they only help each other. They see me struggling with all this stuff and they want to help Jaden.
I bring a blow dryer to the beach, man.
Where you gonna fuck it up at?
Oh my God, who it smell like right now? God. He said, not my girl. Wait, what's that?
It looks better.
Bro, the whole nail came on, bro.
It's gonna grow back. It's gonna grow back.
I've never seen this happen before. I just scrubbed her hard this morning.
Ew. Drew.
But you don't want to touch it though?
Drew.
Is it souvenir now?
Yeah, I'm gonna put on the chain. Where y'all getting on my feet though? What I do?
Trey feet don't look like that.
They feet down there perfect.
They is.
Oh, hold up.
It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down bad, what they your chair, come and sit right.
We on the island. Drewski.
This guy's sitting front.
Yeah! Standing up!
We don't do fashion week. Fashion week is
I'm about to throw you one. Yeah! We trying to go to Washington, D.C. Y'all coming with us?
Look at this. Look at these.
I have your cord.
Now we taking a day trip to Washington, D.C. Oh, I thought that was gonna be Martin Luther King. We at the Washington Monument. Yo, we at the Washington Monument. We in D.C.
Y'all on our private island.
We in D.C.
You know how we do?
Washington Monument. Dope. We on a bear hunt.
On the trip in my favorite rocket ship. Oh, it's breaking.
It is. Watch your hand. Let me see. It is. Try. Watch your hands though. Be careful. Oh my. Water, whatever you call it. Oh, is that juice? Wait, stop.
It's leaking.
Hit that thing. Right. You should just, yeah. Oh, look, they looking. Be her head in. All right. Oh, look, it's leaking. Drink it.
Have that bitch.
Oh, look, he got it. It's leaking.
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, what?
Keep playing. Oh, look.
Oh. Drink it.
I'm not drinking that shit.
Drink it.
When y'all drink it?
She really is.
Oh.
If I die.
Draw the boat.
It tastes fine.
Tongue. Wow. It's a little weird.
It tastes like how coconut water tastes. That's what it tastes just like it. Like just fresh. It don't taste bad. We just now drunk some coconut water. Come on, let's find another one. It was good.
Nigga bring the bottle, y'all drink the whole bottle.
I was sober for an hour, but I'm rolling off a bean now.
Wait, where we at? What's this called? Dunkono. Dunkanoo Jamaican Kitchen. The platter is OD. $120. You probably share that. MKP, make your own price. Ooh, y'all ashy now.
See, if he was light skinned.
He's being colorist. Did y'all not just hear what he said? That was a colorist statement.
Just saying. Like, if he was like me, I'm not ashy.
Oh, so dark skinned people just get ashy. His name is Jaden Gaskew.
I can wipe it away.
Take that out before they can't send your apology.
His name is Jaden Gaskew.
Is everyone ready when they come?
I'm indecisive. I don't know if I want the curry or jerk chicken.
I want some oxtails, but they be stingy on the oxtails.
It looks like this.
Can I get the
curry? Both. I get the jerk chicken.
Like bro. Like come on, bro. Look at Mariah, like.
He not paying me no attention.
Why the fuck would I do a remix? This bitch gave me top, don't want the pussy, he can keep it. Cause I don't need it. Driving to the west, I pop the.
Yeah. Was the
One in the black? That's
Come on now, you dropped that.
Oh, that was good. I'm just feeling that. We in the ocean.
Yeah.
We in the swim to get some motion. Okay, move your head back. Like, why can't she just let us over, little shout?
That's like a famous.
When I'm sober, I just myself again.
Yeah. Hit that. Yeah. Stop. Oh! Oh my God.
Walk. Stop. Look back. Walk. And spin. And walk to the camera, walk back. And shoot. And shoot.
Hit that. Walk. Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Alright, G4 out on 3. 1, 2, 3.
G4 out. But yeah, other places close so early, but I think they do that on purpose, so like a curfew thing, just to get all of the teens in and whatnot. Yeah, we about to go back with our bodyguards. Well, ain't nothing going on the script,
but we're having a good time with them. Our bodyguards actually. They're actually not being lame.
I'm down, yeah. No.
Fuck the ball.
All right, y'all, we walking back.
We're passing H&M.
We have to go have a movie night with the boys.
Plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peak, never speaking, now they speaking about you. Leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros.
Tiffany and Co. Nine. Where?
True now. Try and get no. Hope you free your soul.
The bacon B-word line was too long, so we are at this diner. But it's really cute in here, and the food should come out really fast. And then after that, we're going to the beach.
We don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me.
Let me watch your piece.
There's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.
College Day said meet here, so that's what we're doing.
I eat that lunch, she keep that booty, she keep that pump, that natural beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the phone till you see it. Back, till you see it from the back.
Yo, say what's up, say y'all Instagram.
Deluxe, DUHLUX_.
At Antonio.iso.
You on there though, you on there.
I just don't get it if there's nothing that
Me and Nike.
Yeah, you know I'm out here representing Penn State. You feel me? You know
Aggies too though, Aggies.
Hey, Timmy can fly, you know the vibes. Hey, best DJ out in Penn State.
Rest in peace to all the soldiers that died in my cervix.
What up, YouTube? I'm chilling on the beach.
Hey y'all, we're running routes. Let's get into it. He got it.
Yeah, we in the Yammy with the peas.
Underrated _K. Hard to Chris with a K.
Bring that ass over, does you bring it back?
Hey, you from DMV?
Yeah, Clan.
Come relax, let it attack. Wipe the pain away. You see, and it's tighter than a virgin, like Madonna say. I love when you free stomach. Sometimes you won't. Tell me don't with no bitch, you know.
Now you're on the phone. My favorite voice, except for King. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Hey, how are you? I mean, I guess. Oh, here he go. Oh, he's vlogging. Anthony, you're vlogging.
I love him, bro. He's funny.
Hey, Brandon __ man.
Hey, what did you say? Yo, it's what I was saying. I'm crying because we about to leave. I just want to say This was such an amazing trip. Guys, me and Nike are back in Fort Lauderdale because this is where our plane is taking off from again. And we are at this place called Quarter Deck. This food was really, really good. I had some shrimp tacos, but this trip was a great 10 out of 10. We had so much fun with the boys. W trip. We stayed safe the entire time, and we are so thankful for that. Now we just need to make it back to North Carolina and go back to reality, doing homework and stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned in. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, all of that. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't know when it's coming out, but it's coming out. Peace out.
No cursing.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, G4 out on 3. 1, 2, 3.
G4 out.